Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to only allow number in field in WP form plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in form page and now you see form. So this is our number field. So we are going to validate it. Now go to WP form builder and then you see this is our number field. So click on it. And then you see multiple option, general, advanced. So click on advanced and then you see again multiple option and then you see input mask. So right here alias colon integer. So by using this we are going to allow only number. Again you see alias dot integer, we added in input mask in number field. Then click on save. Now save done, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our number field. When we hover on it, then you see 0. Now click on it, so you can add only number. When we press alphabet, now you see alphabet not added in number field, only number allow. So we are going to fill this form and then submit. So we added some information and we added input mask for number field. Now back to form and you will find this in video description or in comment section. Now back to form and then click on download or submit and then you see form submission done. Now go to Gmail to check. So this is our email we receive on Gmail and then you see name and then you see number, all sent in email. So just add input mask alias dot integer in field. So we are going to allow only number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.